southeastern Louisiana, Terrebonne Parish in southeastern Louisiana, Lafourche Parish in southeastern Louisiana, Jefferson Parish in southeastern Louisiana, Plaquemines Parish in southeastern Louisiana, until 1:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:28 a.m. Central Daylight Time, NOAA hurricane reconnaissance aircraft and maritime observations indicated extreme winds associated with the eye wall of Hurricane Ida will move on shore portions of southeastern Louisiana. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Locations impacted include Houma, Thibodaux, Cutoff, Galliano, Larosi, Marrero, Harvey, Timberlane, Belle Chase, Port Sulphur, Avondale, Gretna, West Wego, Lockport, Golden Meadow, Jean Lafitte, Matthews, Schriever, Chauvin, and Empire. Widespread destructive winds of 115 to 150 miles per hour will spread across St. Bernard Parish, St. Charles Parish, Terrebonne Parish. Move immediately to the safe room in your shelter. Take action now to protect your life. The safest place to be during a major landfalling hurricane is in a reinforced interior room away from windows. Get under a table or other piece of sturdy furniture. Use mattresses, blankets, or pillows to cover your head and body. Remain in place through the passage of these life-threatening conditions. Repeating, an extreme